Hello everyone. Welcome back to my new brochure cover design video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to brochure design in Adobe Illustrator. Before starting the videos, please subscribe to my channel. So let's open Adobe Illustrator. Create a new one and go to Print A4. Make inches. And take the bleed 0.125 inch. Color RGB, then create. Go to the rectangle and make a shape. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path, make it -0.5 inch. OK. Select and right-click Make Guide. Now make another 3 shapes for the color. And type all color codes. Go to the pen tool and make a shape. Select this and go to Shape Builder and delete holding the Alt key. Make another shape and rotate it. Select these points and make it round. Select and go to Object, Path, and Offset Path. OK. Select all and delete by Shape Builder. Now go to the file to place a photo. Send it back. Select and make it clipping mask. Go to ellipse and make a circle, and the opacity is 70%. Make a copy by dragging and holding the Alt key. And make another circle and make it copy and paste by using shortcuts Ctrl-C and Ctrl-F. Make TI stroke and go to scissors and cut, also delete it. Now I have copied the text and logo from the design. Here I have to use the font Nexa and Lotto. These all are free fonts. You can use them. Download them from Google. This is the final, I think it looks awesome design. So you can try and make it nicely. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't understand anything, don't forget to comment below. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for the new videos. Thanks for watching.